Hello guys, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect custom domain with a free hosting. So let's go to this website infinityfree.net or .com, that is same thing, and then log in. I've already shown in this series how you can host a free website PHP MySQL. Also I've already shown how to uh, host your WordPress project in this one, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain. So far whatever I've done with the free domain, and now we will see how to connect the custom domain with infinityfree.com website. So now let's log in. Since I've already created an account, in case you don't know how to create the account, then guys, check the first video where it says that how to host PHP MySQL project. In that one I've shown you how to create an account. Once you create the account, then in that case it will show you like this. So guys, I've already created this account and also hosted a project with this domain, free domain. So if you check here, then you can see in that video I have displayed that how you can show the PHP project in this one with the MySQL. Now in the same one I will connect with the custom domain. So how to do that? Go to domain share and then I will add new, add domain, and here you can see custom domain. But before that, before the adding the domain, so my custom domain is uh, www.tutorialrace.in. Okay, this domain I'm going to connect here. Okay, and one more thing, these two DNS I need to add into the DNS server. So I will go to my DNS and I'll show you how to do that. I'll copy this one, and then so my domain is at crazydomains.in. So I will go here and log in my Google account, and my domain is it this one. So just click on this and then I update the DNS. So this is the DNS. I will click on modify and just copy here. No, not this one. Okay, so I've added this NS1 and NS2 infinity free and update. So I updated it here, but it will take time. So once I added there, now add. Okay, say don't include previous www. Simply disable tutorial race and then add the domain. No need to add here www. Okay, so I'm getting this error because as you know I have just added the DNS, so it will take time, so it is not detecting there, that is why. And at another thing it says that I can add this as CNAME record. Okay, just copy this. I will add at CNAME record also. So I'll select here CNAME record, add, and then here I need to actually add this one. Okay, so this record is added here. Okay, so actually alias will be this one. Okay, so now it's updated. It will also take some time. So as it's mentioned, wait for 3 hours. It will take some time. So let's wait. So guys, now as you can see, after 1 hour it says that successfully the domain has been added in my account. And here you can see, now I can see the file manager. So I will click on this and I'll go to htdocs file. It doesn't have any file, so what I'll do, I will create one index.php file, and then I'll simply write here h1 hello world and then a close. Now click on save. Alright, now let's check here the domain. So it will take some time to take effect, but as you can see the domain has been successfully added. Yes, so guys, as you can see now the hello world is working perfectly. So this way you can add your custom domain here. After adding the domain, I will try the free SSL certificate. Your SSL has been created. Please see below for the next step. Set up CNAME records automatically. Okay, the CNAME has been set up. Please note that it may take some time. It will take some time then. And these are the DNS we have already set up here, so it may take some time to work. So currently I'm checking this with HTTPS and it's not working because the effect has not taken place so far. So it may take some time, as it is saying that take up to an hour to take effect. Okay, so guys, yeah, as you can see the SSL successfully got installed and now it's working. So you have to wait at least 2 to 3 hours because you can see my timing. So about it took 3 hours to get activated. So be patient and wait for the activation of the SSL. So guys, so far you have learned how to connect a custom domain and also how to activate the SSL. So you can see that what you need to purchase only the domain, and the hosting is totally free, as well as the SSL is free. So guys, hope you like this video, and in case you have liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe in case you have not subscribed so far, and don't forget at all to comment in the video so that in free time I can reply to you. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.